How to fix New World keeps freezing on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam. 3. Roll back NVIDIA driver, if you can. 4. Underclock your GPU core via MSI Afterburner. 5. Lower your graphics settings by setting max FPS 60 FPS to visuals. 6. Reset your system without losing data. 7. Google how to move the files to the SSD drive and set the New World as a high priority, like this.